Mommy is going to attempt to cut the boy's hair. I'm gonna start off with Kayden and see how I do with Kayden. I'm probably not gonna do a full-on haircut, but more like a line and a cut down. I don't even know the terms. I've been watching a couple of YouTube videos and I'm gonna see what I can do. So let's see what we have here. We have a comb, a brush,
a comb and a brush,
the clippers, and then guards for the clippers. And I don't even know. I don't really know what guards are what, because I know they be saying 0.5 and stuff, but I kind of looked at them. I kind of looked at them, so I know which ones are the size. No, you guys are not gonna play with these. So we're gonna try, and if mommy messes up, it's okay because it's quarantine, because we're in the house. But I'm gonna attempt to do this, and I'm gonna be practicing. Nobody wanted to let me practice on their hair. Don't tell grandma. So I'm gonna attempt to do it, and then attempt to do Kayden's hair and see how it turns out. If I mess up, it's quarantine, so no one's gonna see. But my goal is to be good at cutting hair, so I could do my kids' hair whenever they
so
need their
mommy
haircut.
can give me a salon toy.
The hair shop, barber shop. All right, we're gonna get straight into the video. Let me see. Let's see what I can do. I'm gonna try the third one first. Okay, sit down, Boo.
Do you don't even know how to do that? You know how to put that thing down?
No, but I'm gonna learn. Stop moving.
I think we used to go to my cheeks.
Kayden. That's why you be coming back and your eyebrow be gone.
Oh no, I want your hair to be all gone. No, my eyebrows. I'm not talking about my hair, I'm talking about my eyebrows. Let me cut my eyebrows. Hey, you don't want them. Oh, you don't do that. Uh-oh, she's here. She's here. Mom, do it. quick, because she's here. She's
Let me
here.
see.
She's here already. Oh no, she's coming. Oh, she's looking at us.
So cute.
I thought you were gonna do that. I was doing it on your car.
Huh?
Can you really see it's not right?
I don't know, but I was scared at first. And Kayden was like, just do it, just do it. I was like, no, because if I mess it up.
You're not gonna mess it up.
Yes, you can mess it up.
One person's scared to do it, and then and the
Did
other.
you just do the line or?
I cut this down. And then I just started doing the line, but I got
I'm
scared.
done.
Let me see.
I'm not done.
That's good.
What kind of haircut would you like?
A short one.
A short one? Okay. So I just gave them a quick line up and cut their hair down. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like
and subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. And we're back with another video.